I recently attended the CLIB in the conference on computational linguistics in Bulgaria and Sofia. The conference showed how we as a scientific community can try and tame this technology to address genuine theoretical, social, or typological questions, and in particular to understand more of endangered or minority languages. I think this is a genuine problem because I think nowadays we can say that there are more chances than in the recent past for endangered or minority languages to be investigated and preserved digitally. We know that multilingual large language models can acquire properties and features that are shared by many languages and can leverage these features to understand and model other unknown languages at unprecedented levels of accuracy and speed, especially if they are keen to already trained languages. Part of my scientific work relates to literacy assessment. My own interests are focused on trying to understand how our brain works when it comes to language learning, and how we can help people to face problems with their linguistic abilities. Languages are holistic dynamic systems, emerging from interrelated patterns of sensory experience, communicative and social needs, and psychological and neurobiological mechanisms. Artificial intelligence can deal with all these aspects and data simultaneously. And this will allow us to face the scientific challenge of understanding language from a holistic perspective. Collecting multisensory data reading, which I've done over the past several years, helped me to realize the language is an inherently time-bound multisensory activity, which requires the fine orchestration and coordination of a number of cognitive and sensory motor processes, such as the visual scanning of letters printed on a page, their phonological buffering and articulation, the retrieval of meaning units, and their integration into information chunks for building a conceptual model of the text being read. Finally, I'm expecting more and more interdisciplinary work to be presented in this type of conferences, straddling psycholinguistics, neurolinguistics, and sociolinguistics, but also literary studies. Computational linguistics, with its focus on technologies and language data, can in fact provide a kind of data-driven continuity, material continuity between neighboring fields, and can help bridging the gap between the behavioral evidence, for example, psycholinguistic studies, and neurofunctional and neuroanatomical evidence coming from neurosciences. I believe that this kind of issues will deserve to get more and more room in future editions of the CLIB conference.